The world of the wealthy is often shrouded in mystery and allure. What sets them apart? Is it luck, inheritance, or something more? While every rich person's journey is unique, certain habits consistently appear among the affluent. These habits can be learned and adopted by anyone aspiring to achieve financial success. Let's delve into these habits, backed by real-life examples and quotes from the rich and famous, to uncover the secrets of their success. As we explore, we'll add actionable insights that you can implement in your own life. Ready to unlock the secrets of the wealthy? Let's begin. Relentless pursuit of knowledge. Rich people are lifelong learners. They read voraciously and continuously seek new information. This habit not only broadens their knowledge, but also helps them stay ahead in their respective fields. Warren Buffett, one of the most successful investors of all time, spends 80% of his day reading. He believes that knowledge builds up, like compound interest. Buffett once said, "Read 500 pages like this every day." That's how knowledge works. It builds up like compound interest. All of you can do it, but I guarantee not many of you will do it. Commit to reading daily. Start by setting aside at least 30 minutes each day to read. Choose books that enhance your understanding of your industry, biographies of successful people, or self-improvement literature. What book will you start with today? Setting clear goals. The rich don't become wealthy by accident. They set clear, actionable goals and relentlessly pursue them. This habit helps them stay focused and driven. Elon Musk, the visionary behind companies like Tesla and SpaceX, sets incredibly ambitious goals. He has a clear vision for the future, from colonizing Mars to revolutionizing transportation on Earth. Musk once said, "When something is important enough, you do it, even if the odds are not in your favor." Define your goals. Write down your short-term and long-term goals. Break them down into actionable steps and set deadlines for each. What's one goal you will start working on today? Networking and building relationships. Wealthy individuals understand the power of a strong network. They invest time in building and nurturing relationships that can provide support, advice, and opportunities. Richard Branson, the founder of Virgin Group, emphasizes the importance of networking. He believes that surrounding yourself with great people is essential for success. Branson once said, "Succeeding in business is all about making connections." Expand your network. Make an effort to meet new people in your industry, attend networking events, join professional groups, and connect on LinkedIn. Who will you reach out to today? Taking calculated risks. Rich people are not afraid to take risks, but they do so with careful consideration and planning. They understand that risk is an inherent part of achieving great success. Oprah Winfrey took a significant risk when she decided to leave her successful talk show to start her own network. Despite the initial struggles, she persevered, and the network eventually became successful. Oprah once said, "The biggest adventure you can take is to live the life of your dreams. Assess and take risks. Identify a calculated risk you can take that aligns with your goals. Evaluate the potential outcomes and take the plunge. What risk will you take this month?" Discipline and self-control. Discipline is a cornerstone of success. The wealthy maintain self-control in their spending, time management, and decision-making processes. Jeff Bezos, the founder of Amazon, is known for his disciplined approach to business and life. He believes in making decisions based on long-term thinking rather than short-term gains. Bezos once said, "If you don't understand the details of your business, you are going to fail." Practice discipline. Identify areas in your life where you can improve your discipline. It could be in your spending habits, time management, or sticking to your goals. What will you commit to improving today? Embracing failure and learning from it. Failure is not a setback for the wealthy, it's a stepping stone. They view failures as opportunities to learn and grow, which helps them come back stronger. Bill Gates, the co-founder of Microsoft, experienced failure with his first company, Trafo Data. Instead of giving up, he learned from his mistakes and went on to create Microsoft. Gates once said, "It's fine to celebrate success, but it is more important to heed the lessons of failure. Reflect on failures." Think about a recent failure and analyze what went wrong. Write down the lessons learned and how you can apply them in the future. What lesson have you learned from a recent failure? Investing wisely. The rich understand the importance of investing. They make their money work for them by investing in stocks, real estate, businesses, and other opportunities that generate passive income. Robert Kiyosaki, author of Rich Dad, Poor Dad, emphasizes the importance of investing. He believes that the rich buy assets that generate income, while the poor and middle class buy liabilities that cost money. Kiyosaki once said, "It's not how much money you make, but how much money you keep, how hard it works for you, and how many generations you keep it for." Start investing. Begin by educating yourself about different investment options. Start small and gradually build your portfolio. What investment will you research today? Maintaining a positive attitude. A positive attitude helps the rich overcome challenges and stay motivated. They believe in their ability to succeed and maintain an optimistic outlook. Sara Blakely, the founder of Spanx, attributes her success to her positive attitude and belief in herself. Despite numerous rejections, she persevered and built a billion-dollar company. Blakely once said, "Embrace what you don't know, especially in the beginning, because what you don't know can become your greatest asset." Cultivate positivity. Start each day with positive affirmations and focus on the good in every situation. What positive affirmation will you start using today? Giving back. The wealthy understand the importance of giving back to society. They use their resources to make a positive impact on the world, which in turn brings them fulfillment and purpose. Mark Zuckerberg, the co-founder of Facebook, has pledged to give away 99% of his Facebook shares to charitable causes. He believes in using his wealth to improve the world. Zuckerberg once said, "Having two identities for yourself is an example of a lack of integrity. Give back." Find a cause you're passionate about and contribute your time, money, or resources. How will you give back to your community this year? The habits of the rich are not secrets. They are practices that anyone can adopt. By pursuing knowledge, setting clear goals, networking, taking calculated risks, maintaining discipline, learning from failures, investing wisely, staying positive, and giving back, you too can pave your way to financial success. Remember, it's not just about becoming rich, but about enriching your life and the lives of others. What habit will you start working on today to move closer to your financial goals? Share your thoughts and let's embark on this journey together. Let's